Hi friends, so today I'm giving you the recipe for chewy caramel. The recipe is mentioned above. I'm just introducing you the ingredients. So in ingredients, there are two ingredients which are optional. You can use it or it's up to you completely. So let's start. We will mix sugar and glucose and keep it on medium heat. Also, on the other induction, I have put my whipping cream on just very low temperature to have simmer, and I'm cooking on the other side my sugar and glucose. I will cook until I reach to 160 degree. So in this case the thermometer is must. It's better to use candy thermometer because it will give you perfect results. For laser thermometer you just have to remove your pan time to time, so laser will give you perfect result. I have reached to 160 degree, and then I will glaze my caramel with warm whipping cream. Be careful, the mixture is volatile at this moment. I will keep mixing until I see everything is completely form a proper mixture. I will add butter here. Unsalted butter I am using. You can see how beautiful the color it is. Now I will wait for it to cool down until 45 degrees. I will add my chocolate. If you don't want to add chocolate, it's completely up to you. You can use it as it is. In the last, I will add my salt. You can use mixture. At this stage, I am using my spatula and it's ready. You can use this caramel for your bonbons, for caramel spread, for your cakes, anything, whatever you like. This is the most simplest and the most delicious recipe. Hope you enjoyed the video. Until then, ciao, bye bye.